My name's Melissa Lord. I'm a hospice nurse for Neshoba Nursing Service and Hospice, and I've been nominated to do the Ice Bucket Challenge by my good friend Mary Ellen Smart. I've taken care of many hospice patients with ALS throughout the years, and I believe it's a great cause, this Ice Bucket Challenge. So when I do something, I believe in doing it big if it's for a good cause. So with that, I'm going to nominate Kevin McDonald, Alyssa Betancourt, Amy Welch, Julie Rochon, and Alicia Rochon to do it big and do it quick, just like I'm going to do. So let's go add my ice.